Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
My wisdom warriors, I'm back again because me have something to share with you, my wisdom warriors. And you know, some not leave you out, especially when the Clerk+Dem a drop. Anyway, Audit finds retired clerk of parliament is owed 1.5 million Jamaican dollars. Wanna just hear what me say? Audit finds retired clerk of parliament is owed $1.5 million. A special audit report has found that Valerie Curtis, who retired as the chief administrator at Parliament on Saturday, was underpaid by the accounting department, which she supervised. You can't imagine this? You can't imagine this? The woman, they don't want to pay the woman. Lord Jesus. Hey, you never see smoke without fire yet, My wisdom warriors, you never see smoke without fire. You can't imagine the office where Miss Curtis supervised. The lady is underpaid. The lady is underpaid. They not even honor the woman for her decades of service. These are the type of leaders who no want. Me have to really ask, is this the type of leaders we want? No, we don't want them a type of leaders. You work for them for decades and they not even look upon you and fling you all under the bus. It's ridiculous. Anyway, let's continue reading. It's estimated that the amount owing to Miss Curtis is about 1.5 million, covering the period January to March 2023. According to auditors, the payroll department at the Houses of Parliament failed to place Miss Curtis on the appropriate salary scale following the restructuring of public sector compensation arrangements. Okay, so then stay the one. And your oldness can raise the MP them to 300%. And the woman, the lady that is a clerk to House of Parliament, then fail to pay the woman and underpay the woman. That mess up me and right. So uno alone for crepe. And your oldness, uno and phone thief in crown is alone for crepe. And nobody else not forget nothing. You see uno? You see uno? You see, that's why anything they are dark, have to come a light. Mighty God. And remember, this lady, and this lady come out and say nothing, and no, Miss Valerie no come out and say nothing bad about them, my viewers and subscribers. You notice, she's a humble lady. You notice, this is why I'm glad all them do the auditing. Me not even know so they inside the audit. Mighty, I never know so they did I do audit inside the House of Parliament. Me I tell you say, some from the lady I come out, the Auditor General start audit. Me say she's doing a wonderful job, All fair pay for raise, Yes, man, fair pay for raise because she's doing a good job. We want to know all this, my viewers and subscribers. No wonder why Juliet always fling her under the bus and not give the woman no money because they know what they do. They know what they owe the woman. They know so they owe the woman 1.5 million, but they don't want to give the woman the money. It's not right. It is not right. Government are crave for themselves alone and they no business about Jamaican people. This is a perfect example, my wisdom warriors. This is not right. Come on, this is not right. Let me continue read because you know say appear at a collapse. Additionally, the report found that 467,000 that were overpaid to a member of the administrative staff at Parliament years ago have still not been recovered. You know, hear them something, my viewers and subscribers. The report found that $467,000 that were overpaid to a member of the administrative staff at Parliament years ago have still not been recovered. You wanna see that? Somebody else, them claims say overpaid. Listen, you see all of them something about overpaid. Listen, you see the person will forget the money, forget the correct pay, now get the correct pay. You understand? So no matter about overpaid. How can you how everything come to 467,000? Them know what them are do. Unless whosoever is doing all this, I don't bad. And they know what them are do. This is what they do. They use it and say overspend, they overspend. That time a thief, them a thief your money, you know, my wisdom warriors. Una follow me. Then say overspend, you know. Them say overspend. That time a thief, them a thief people, them the taxpayers' money, and then turn around and say overspend. They know exactly what they're doing. You understand me? They know exactly what they're doing. Them something you know right. You get me? The lady did it underpaid, and she's still there. And on top of that, Juliet Holness have the audacity to fling her under the bus, step up on her, and don't even honor her. This is ridiculous. My wisdom warriors, you see, this is why I said the government is all for themselves, and a lot of people is not getting it. The reason why I said that, remember Andrew Holness raise. Remember say Andrew Holness give them 300% raise, you know. Remember, you know. So what about the clerk in a House of Parliament? What about the clerk? Isn't she a part of House of Parliament? I don't understand it. Isn't she a part of the Parliament? She is. So why una raise for herself and leave her out? You understand? And not just other day una raise Andrew Holness. Raise it to 300%. Them say me on the right. That is too much. And already I get peer money already. I want to still raise to 300%. At the public sector, I want to raise for 300%. Not uno. At the public sector, remember, I know uno work for we. So at the public sector, forget the 300% raise. Not uno in a member of parliament. Uno don't get bag of money already. Them suck me on the right. And when I see these things, I have to talk. And I have to look out against it. Me have to, my wisdom warriors. I just have to. Me can't just sit back and see all these things happening and don't say anything. You understand? The lady not deserve this. Una have the woman in the office of work underpaid. While una raise for una pay. Una know, yo, them a one piece of dog shit, you know? Una know that do my wisdom warriors. Sorry to say, but they are. They are. This to show us say them all for themselves. This is a good example. It is not right. It is not right. Mr. When me see it in the article, I say, I want this here. Let me do some research. I'm Africa make on know what go on. Cause me I tell you no, I'm gonna God above alone no. These people all for themselves and then try to scrape every inch and every corners. Them a try scrape from. Every inch and every corners. You can't imagine the whole on a pay raise in a parliament. You not going like say Miss Curtis is not a part of the parliament. She is. And the woman did their work from when? And you not even pay the woman, you underpay the woman. And then have the audacity, the one Juliet, unless she can go like say she are the lords of the house. Darling, you're not ready for that yet. You can go like you're the lords of the house. You're not ready, you don't even know legislation. You don't even know legislation. Every day you draft a book, but I read legislation. You don't even know what the hell you are doing. You don't even know what you are doing. You did you come throw woman under bus. Woman we did it before you. Before you have, I just other day you gone in there. The woman and not even honor the woman. This is what I do not like about them. They underpay the woman. Then throw the woman underneath the bus. Yeah? They see now. Auditor find that they owe 1.5 million to the woman. You understand me? This is the whole reason why them do it like that. Because they don't want to give her no money. They don't want to pay her out. They do not want to pay her out. And so these people, you see them are criminal, you know. And so you have to look on these people. You see people where go around and take taxpayer money. A criminal you call them. It's just the truth. Because why wanna do that to the lady? Me not understand. Why wanna do that to the lady? Why? I'm urging Miss Valerie to come out and speak out. I would love for her to come and speak out. You understand, Miss Valerie? If you are listening to Auditor for the press, I'm asking you, madam, on the behalf of the Jamaican people, to please come and speak to the nation because we really want to hear your side. Because we not hear nothing from you. We just have to take what we get. When Juliet Holness come out and chat our rubbish, we have to just take what we get. We want your side. We want to hear your side, madam. You understand? We want to hear your side. You get me? And them are something me and right, my viewers and subscribers. These things, you see, all this is under Andrew Wellness administration. And he go on like he not corrupt. His system not corrupt. Of course them corrupt. It's like you don't even need a glasses to see. You understand me? You guys don't even need a glasses. So, my viewers and subscribers, it is well. It is well. My wisdom warriors, speaking of honoring of like Parliament, Juliet Owens, Andrew Owens, speaking of them not even honoring Miss Valerie Curtis. It come out in the article. But you know how the article, some of them stay already. The way how them put it, they said PNP accuses government of failing to honor retired clerk of parliament. But I want to say accuse. I want to put that as a headline. You understand? I want to put it as a headline and say PNP accuses government. PNP not accuses government and nothing. You understand? PNP is making it be known that the government failed to honor retired clerk of parliament. And it is the truth. So I don't know why some article is saying that PNP accuses. No, I want to use that term accuse. No, PNP not accuse government for nothing. You understand? The government failed to honor. So my headline would be the government failed to honor retired clerk of parliament. You understand? Don't say accuse. You understand? Because PNP not accuse them. It is the truth. You understand? Even reading Miss Valerie, memo what she sent out, as she and a them. You don't notice that? As she and a them. If you don't read the letter, it come like a she and a them. When a them fear and her, you don't go on like, you take people for fool. This is why I'm not rate Andrew Wellness. Never. Me could never rate Andrew Wellness. Nor Juliet Owens. Never. Because they don't care about nobody. Me tired for telling you that. If una na yes man and yes girl, hey, they not in a uno. Remember me telling you that. They not in a uno. You have to be a yes boy and yes girl for JLP like you. Remember me telling you that. Me not in a nothing with them. Me not hate them, Me not hate them. You understand? But I don't like what they're doing to the Jamaican people. It's not right. You understand? It is unacceptable. This is why I lick out against them all the time. My viewers and subscribers, let me continue reading. Acting leader of opposition business, Fix Jackson, raised the issue after the new clerk, Colleen Lowe, was welcomed by members of the House of Representatives. Prime Minister Andrew Holness responded to Fix Jackson, telling him Miss Curtis will be accorded the proper parliamentary honor at an appropriate time. My wisdom warriors, what kind of appropriate time Andrew Holness talk about? What type of appropriate time is he talking about? Me tell us, say, them do as they like and then do as them please. And nobody, no fi say nothing to them, and so they stay. You understand? Uno no another woman. What kind of appropriate time? What kind of appropriate time you talk about, Andrew Owens? Uno thinks the people are idiot. Uno should honor the woman before uno new clerk start. And that uno should do honor the woman. But what uno do? What your wife do? What Juliet Owens did was wrong. She made the woman leave the place on a bad note. Yes, it is just the truth. She not even apologize to the lady. Nothing. You understand? Just for save for themselves, from the embarrassment. But people are not idiot. Uno still embarrass on yourself. Uno still embarrass on yourself. And God still expose uno. Uno too wicked. Uno too terrible. Uno feel lift up from out of House of Parliament. You understand me? Uno not fit to be a leader. None at all. I'll Juliet Owens. She then for fire her backside. She for step down. She for step down. We don't want her to be no backside, Madam Speaker. Because she can't manage the job. She cannot manage the job. She's not credible. She cannot manage the job, my wisdom warriors. Everybody can see that. Because this happened with the report. And you got throw the clerk underneath the bus. You throw the clerk underneath the bus. So you think the people are fool around here? You think the people are idiot? Remember, say your choice, with everything, it's your choice, Juliet Owens. You ever sit down, pound at the chair there in a House of Parliament, yeah? And I said, discretion by you and discretion by you. So every blasted thing are your choice and you are do it. I would like Miss Valerie to talk. Miss Valerie, please may I beg you, come out and talk. The Jamaican people, they want to hear your side. They want to hear your side. You understand? We know, so you're a respectable lady and you give the all to the House of Parliament. And them want to honor you when them feel like, basically, I saw Andrew Holness move, you know. I saw him move, you know. You understand? Government badness him deal with, you know. He want to do it when him feel like. They don't have it in their mind for do it. None at all. They no plan for another woman. You hear me? They no plan for another woman. But you, Andrew Holness, a legacy you want to go down, you know. Remember you say, you know. Remember you say, a legacy you think there. You understand? Remember you say, a legacy you think there. So a legacy you want, a legacy you go get. You understand? Because you are go good on in a history because we are going to take your backside out. You can never win another election. If you win another election, Jamaican people don't love themselves. May I tell you that. If you ever make Andrew Holness win, you don't love yourself. You hear me? You hear me? You sleep on that, you know. You sleep on that. Okay. My wisdom warriors, you tell me how you feel about this. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.